Ever wondered why pain feels different for everyone? It's not just physical, it's a complex dance between your nerves, brain, and emotions. Pain is more than just an ouch moment. It's a sophisticated dialogue between your body and brain, alerting you to potential harm. When you step on something sharp, specialized nerve endings called nociceptors send an urgent signal to your spinal cord. This signal races up to your brain, where the thalamus acts like a switchboard, directing it to areas that interpret the pain. One part of your brain tells you where the pain is and how intense it feels, while another deals with the emotional impact. Your brain can even modulate pain signals, sometimes delaying pain perception in high-stress situations like combat. Endorphins, your body's natural painkillers, bind to brain receptors, significantly reducing pain perception. Acute pain is your body's immediate response to injury, acting as a warning system that something needs attention. This type of pain is usually sharp and intense but fades as the underlying issue heals, typically within 3 to 6 months. Chronic pain, however, lingers long after the initial injury has healed, often lasting more than 6 months. Unlike acute pain, chronic pain serves no protective function and can severely impact your quality of life. Stress and anxiety can amplify your brain's interpretation of pain signals, making the pain feel more intense. Physiotherapy offers a multi-dimensional approach to pain management, targeting both symptoms and root causes. Manual therapy, exercise prescription, and modalities like laser therapy work together to alleviate pain. At R3 Physiotherapy, we use cutting-edge technology and evidence-based techniques to treat pain holistically. Our personalized approach considers not just the physical, but also the emotional and psychological factors affecting pain. Physiotherapy empowers you with the tools to actively participate in your own recovery, speeding up the healing process. Contrary to popular belief, physiotherapy isn't just for athletes or injuries. It effectively treats chronic pain conditions too. Future trends in physiotherapy include wearable technology, machine learning, and virtual reality for more personalized treatments. If you're considering physiotherapy, consult a qualified physiotherapist who takes a comprehensive approach to your condition. Ready to take control of your pain? R3 Physiotherapy offers specialized pain management services to help you live pain-free.